We hear people talking about Malta and Maltese people being very irate. No one is ready to wait. People are getting very angry quicker and more easily. What is the reason for all of this? I don't know the exact reason for all of this. What I know is that instant gratification can be one of the causes of it. I am Matthew Bartolo. This is Unfiltered Therapy, the space where I share my ideas gathered from my personal and professional life, working with thousands of clients and in thousands of sessions. And instant gratification is when we want to be gratified instantly, hence instant gratification. So I want a mobile phone, I want it now, and it needs to be delivered today. I feel like a kind of food, I order it and I choose that it comes to my office as soon as possible. I have to wait for something and I get irate because I'm not willing to wait for this. Even if it's something that I don't actually need, but it's something that I wish for, that I want. Why is everyone actually suffering from instant gratification? It's our society and it's also how we are treating ourselves. We're always getting the message through social media, through advertising, that we deserve this. So if I want to buy something, I deserve it, I should get it. What is that doing to us? We're not waiting for our birthdays, our Christmases anymore. We're just getting what we need now, and then it's difficult to buy a Christmas present. And how is this affecting us? We are getting more irate, we are getting more angry, and there is a sense of entitlement that we should be served now. And that is affecting how we treat the people around us, and it is affecting the general feeling in our society. How can we change this? How can I raise kids who are not suffering from instant gratification, especially in an era where social media is giving us that dopamine rush, where online shops compete with each other about when to deliver our product, and we are always promised to feel better as soon as possible. So much so that some people are resorting to cocaine and other substances to feel good on demand. How can we work on this? It's very simple. It is about delaying gratification. The very small things that we enjoy during our day, we look at the clock and we say, I'm going to postpone this by 15 minutes. So I really feel like a cup of coffee. Instead of having it now, I'm going to tell myself, wait for 15 minutes and then you can have it. I want to buy something for myself, I'm going to wait for my next paycheck. Not because I don't afford it, but because I want to make myself wait until I own this want of mine. Another way is by practicing gratitude. I feel I need 2 more shirts in my wardrobe. Is it a need or is it a want? Let me go to my wardrobe. Let me see the amount of shirts I have. Are these enough? Are there shirts I haven't worn for some time? Do they make me feel good if I wear them? Yes, so let me postpone buying these 2 shirts. I'm not saying that buying wants is wrong. I'm saying that if you want to work on your instant gratification, you need to teach yourself to postpone the feelings of pleasure.